Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can upload your file on Google Drive. It is going to be very useful for you guys. Here you will get the 15 GB free storage, and you just have to upload your files, your videos, whatever you want to upload. You can also do that. So simply you have to click on the, so it's up to your phone that you can get this option, this app anywhere. Simply you have to search the Google Drive and you have to click on it. Click on the Google Drive. After clicking on the Google Drive, you have to open it and wait a bit. As you can see, in the past I have uploaded these all files, and this is going to be very useful for me. I have shared this with many of friends and my clients too. So simply what you have to do, simply you have to click on new option. Click on the new option, then it will ask from you that what you want to upload. If you want to upload a folder, upload a file, or you want to scan Google slide, it's up to you that what you want to upload. Simply you have to click on the upload. After clicking on the upload, you have to select the file which you want to upload. Wait a bit. As you can see, it's opened. Now I have to select that which video or file or picture I want to upload. Let me select. For example, I want to upload this picture. So simply what I have to do, simply I have to click on this. After clicking on this, it will prepare. As you can see, I have got the notification that my storage is already going to be full. So I have to delete some files. I'm going to dismiss it and then go back and go again and here and refresh it. After refreshing, as you can see, click on this one. After clicking on this, click on the recent, and in recent we are going to see that all the files we have uploaded. As you can see, you will also see the date, that on which date you have uploaded this file and with whom you have shared this one. I have uploaded this one on November 28. I have uploaded this one on October 19. And if you click on these three dots, you will get the details of all the settings of the files. So I hope this video is going to be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next video.